Alright, so once you have your two side screws off and your fascia tilted forward, we can go ahead and access our main board. And we do have this metal plate covering our main board. So it is two screws, and there's one over here on top, and there's another one right here. You might not be able to see it, it is just left of this screw right here. And then once we get those two off, we can just pop up this metal board and get to our main board. So we'll take those screws off now. So we got one, I might drop that guy. Oops. Alright, got that screwed. We'll go ahead and do our second screw up top. Awesome. So now our main board case should just slide up and come off. There are these little teeth, so it just slides up and pulls off. So go ahead and put this aside. Now we have access to our main board. So thankfully all these cables, they are all labeled, but they do only fit in one spot each. So we'll go ahead and start undoing those cables, and then our main board is 4 screws, there's one in each corner. So we'll go ahead and start with our Genmega USB, put that aside, and then you want to make sure you do not pull too hard by the wires, because you want this plug intact so we can go put it in our new main board. So we'll get this plug out, and it might be pretty tight. Let's see here. Big finger, so it's hard to get in here.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.